Looking for a battery terminal that delivers a strong, reliable connection? These platinum-plated battery terminals offer exactly that, ensuring high power flow without compromise. Plus, their crystal-clear acrylic cover shields your battery from environmental damage, keeping everything safe and secure. What sets these terminals apart is how easy they are to install. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just handling basic car maintenance, you'll appreciate how quickly and smoothly these terminals fit onto your battery. No fuss, no hassle, just a solid connection every time. Customers across the United States have given these terminals top reviews. Many highlight the exceptional quality and fit, especially when used with red-top batteries. One buyer even mentioned snagging these at a discount due to supposed blemishes, but when they arrived, they were flawless, proof of the quality you can trust. The added connections on these terminals make them a smart choice for anyone needing more flexibility with their battery setup. They perform exactly as expected, delivering consistent power without any issues. This reliability is why so many users confidently recommend them. If you value both durability and performance, these platinum-plated terminals are worth considering. They combine a sleek design with practical protection and high-quality materials, so your battery stays connected and protected under all conditions. Thinking about upgrading your battery terminals? This option offers clear benefits: enhanced power transfer, easy installation, and protective covers that guard against corrosion and wear. It's a straightforward way to improve your vehicle's electrical system without extra complexity. Ready to experience a hassle-free upgrade that lasts? These terminals bring together durability, functionality, and positive user feedback in one package. If that's you, consider making the switch to platinum-plated battery terminals for a dependable connection every time.